Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to show you some beautiful crochet handbags designs. Look at these designs, amazing bag. Each one is made with soft yarn and neat crochet patterns. Some bags have simple and clean designs, while others have cute patterns, flowers and fun structure. You can see how different colors are used to make each bag look unique and stylish. These bags are not only pretty but also very useful. Some are perfect for daily use. Some are great for shopping and some look amazing for parties or gifts. These handles are made strong and comfortable. You can see the carry them easily. Look at how the pattern create a beautiful texture and shape, making each bag special. Some bags have small pockets or cute cluster and some are open style, giving them a modern and casual look. The colors are soft, bright and stylish, which make these bags look even more attractive. You can mix and match them with your outfit or give them as a handmade gift for someone special. Each bag is unique, showing the creativity and love that goes into the making it. I hope you all enjoyed this crochet handbag design and getting some lovely ideas for yourself or for gifts. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this design, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing crochet ideas.